Hey, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, I hope you like it. I hope you stay. I hope you subscribe to my channel for more content. And if you're coming back, welcome back. Today I'm doing a little clean with me, but I'm just cleaning my dining room chairs. They have gotten so filthy. It's very nasty, to be honest, so don't judge. Anyway, I've really haven't gotten time to really clean them in a while. You know, life has been lifing, and your mind focuses on other stuff. But now that I have a little bit of time on my hands, so I am gonna clean these shirts today. I'm gonna clean them. I'm gonna repaint them just a little bit because they're starting to chip a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. So thank you so much for tuning in once again, and I am gonna get started. So these are my dining room chairs. As you can see, it's a very filthy. It has food stains everywhere, water marks, juice marks, and also it's being chipped on the side, and even on the top the paint is coming off. So it's really time for me to take care of my dining room chairs and give it a little TLC, and just fix it, make it look clean, repaint, all that kind of good stuff. I know the color white is a very complicated color to have, especially for a dining room, but I did choose this color because I like neutral colors. I like whites, grays, browns. So I chose white. I knew that I had small children, but I know also that I will be able to maintain it. I will be able to keep it clean. I will be using this Resolve spot remover. I really like this product. It really removes the stains off of my chairs. So I'm gonna spray a good amount on my chairs and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to really uplift those stains so it can really come off. Cause maybe I feel like I'm not ready to change me, and you can't save me. With you, I don't feel like myself at all. Now that we've started, you feel this disregard. I usually use just a sponge and a soap just to scrub off the stains on my chairs, but looking at the state of my chairs, I really needed to bring out my upholstery cleaner to really help me do a deep clean on these chairs. Before I begin to clean, I'm just wiping down the chairs just to remove the excess dust, dirt, stains stuck on the wooden area, so when I paint, I can have a smooth surface. Either way, you with me or not, just know that I'm okay. So this is the water tank for my Bissell cleaner. I'm just gonna fill up the water where it says it has a mark there for water, and I'll also add 4 to 5 drops of soap. Since I didn't have the upholstery cleaner, I ran out of it, so I decided just to use the regular dish soap to clean my chairs. Okay, so here I am. I turned on my machine and I'm spraying a good amount of that soap water that I just put. I'm really soaking it, just letting that water really seep through the fabric so that it can really lift those stubborn stains that do not want to come out. So I'm really soaking that surface with water. After soaking it, I'm going to turn my machine off, and all I'm going to do is use these bristle brushes on here to really scrub my chairs. You really don't have to use a bristle scrub. You can, if you have another sponge, you can go ahead and use it, but since the bristle brushes were there, so it was much easier just to use that. After giving it a good scrub, I'm going to turn on my Bissell machine and I'm going to start sucking out all the excess water. And look at that filthy water. My chairs were really, really filthy. I mean, look at that. It's really, the water is literally like coming out brown. My furniture was really filthy, and I'm glad that I really took this time to really clean my chairs. And y'all, look at that water. Like, look at that water. Okay? Filthy as heck.
You became a team. Late night conversations that never leave me complacent. Numerous positions till our bodies are adjacent. Where I can twitch you like a hexagon. I threw the line in cause you love my puns. Not something I intended, don't say it. Let me finish it. Oh my God, swing. Wow, you're such an idiot. I know you like the back of my hand. Big glasses, nerd reader comic books like Sandman. Baby, you the greatest.
After I have cleaned all my chairs, I am gonna spill out this filthy water here. I mean, look at that. My water was so filthy. And then I'm gonna rinse out my equipments here and just let it dry overnight. So I'm going to use this Velspar paint to paint my furniture. I know my furniture is a little bit off white, but I'm going to paint it with this ultra white color anyway. And also I will be using this this is the type of paintbrush that I'm using. I really like this paintbrush because the handle is really comfortable to hold, and in the morning I will be actually using this polyacrylic on my furniture just to finish it off. And these are some gloves I got from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, just to cover up my hands because I don't want any paint stains on my hands, so I'm using these gloves.
ever seen. I thank the gods and me and you became a team. Late night conversations that never leave me complacent. Numerous positions till our bodies are
If you're
adjacent.
anything like
Well, I can
me,
twist
I
you like a
really
head circle,
enjoy the late night
you in my
cleaning.
end.
I enjoy the late night cleaning
Never
because
so
it
out
gives
of
me
10%.
time
Let me
to
break
really
it in. Oh
spend
my
with
God, twin. You
myself.
ride this
Because
at
every
10
day you wake up, you
I
give
love you
yourself
like the
to your
back of my
spouse, you
hand.
give yourself
These
to your
last 2 years
children,
been
you give
complicated,
yourself
just
to
like
work.
Spider-Man.
And then
Girl,
at
you
night, it
crazy.
just gives me
I
time
apologize if
to
I took too long
really
to say it.
spend time
Even though
with
we've been together
myself
for a hot
without the
minute, I
noise.
get
Like
butterflies when you
currently,
still
I
come
have
visit.
no
You in
music
my rock
playing.
for this long,
Everyone
I
at home
remember.
is
Holding
sleeping,
head
so I
out, let
am
me see that ring
currently
finger
working
swing.
by myself, and I can actually hear a pin drop because it's that quiet. It's very quiet. I don't even have music on. So I like to really do my cleanings at night because it's a peaceful moment for me while I'm just focusing on me and what I'm doing. It just clears my mind. It's a very therapeutic for me, actually, especially if my head is really not in the right space. I really like to take this time and just reconnect with myself. This was just the first coat that I put on. You can see the chipped parts are still there. A little paint is there, but I'm going to fix it. So the dents are still a little bit visible. I'm going to paint it, do more 2 coats. So this is after painting it another 2 coats. Those dents are really covered, so you can't really see it. All the areas that were chipped is covered, which was mostly on top. And this is how it looks. I'm gonna let this sit and dry for the whole night, and then in the morning I'm gonna take these furniture out and spray some acrylic, polyacrylic on it to really help the
You
paint
the baddest girl I
stay.
ever
And
seen. I thank
this
the
is it
gods
for
and me and you
tonight.
became a
And
team.
this is my
Late night
hands. That's
conversations
why I
that
had on
never leave
gloves,
me
because
complacent.
this on my
Numerous
hands I would have
positions till
been
our
really
bodies are
upset.
adjacent. Well, I can twist you like a head
So
circle,
this is the next
love
day,
you
early
in my
morning.
end. You
I
in my
am
quantity.
taking
Never
out my
so out of 10
chairs
it don't fit.
to
Let me
spray that
finish it. Oh my
polyacrylic.
God,
I didn't
twin. You
want to
ride
spray
this
it
at
inside the
10.
house just to have
Know
that
you like the
smell of
back of my
chemicals in the house.
hand.
I
These
just
last 2
didn't think it was
nerve-wracking
safe.
conversations,
So I
like
took my chairs
Sandman.
outside and I will
Baby,
spray it
you
from outside and
crazy.
let it
I
air out
apologize
and
if
let
I
it
took too
dry.
long to say it. Even though we've been together for a hot minute, I get butterflies when you still come and visit. You in my rock for this long, I remember. Holding head out, let me see that ring finger swing.
So these chairs have been sitting here since this morning, probably around 9 o'clock in the morning, and right now it's about 3 going on 4 p.m. So it's been sitting there for a long time, really soaking in that sun. So it's fully dry, and I'm really happy with the outcomes, how my chairs look really clean. All the stains are gone. Some of the stains on this chair here was really stubborn. Didn't really come out, but compared to how it looked before and how it looked now, this chair looks good. So I'm glad I was able to do this. This was another chore checked off my list, and I will actually try to keep up and not let my chairs get really filthy. Okay. Thank you guys for tuning in my video. I hope to see you on the next one.